Okay, so today I'm going to replace this Bosch cooktop with the new Frigidaire. Okay, so this is the 36-inch Electrolux. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to close the gas valve, unplug this, and then let's look at the way that it's connected. Let's see if we can use the original. The line is on the same spot, which is on the right hand side, which is perfect. So we can use the original hose. Only this one, so replacing this 36 with a 36, we don't have to do much. Okay, so let's remove those. And the gas line. Okay, remove the old one, and we cut out here for the wiring. So they didn't give us the union, so we have to use the old one. I'm not sure if the Bosch gave us this one, but we're going to use it. Okay. So we wrap the Teflon with the direction when we screw the other one on, which is clockwise. Okay. So the Teflon, we use the yellow one. Okay, that's good. Okay, the same way, the Teflon go clockwise. Okay, so we put a new tape, and then we're gonna put it on. Light enough.
What about the blue stuff?
What?
The blue stuff.
The blue we can put later. Okay, the other way. A perfect fit. Now, how do we secure this one in place? I'll hold that one, please. All right, let's see. Got my hands. How am I going to get this one in? Oh man, it's so dark in here.
I'm turning the whole thing.
Turn the other way.
This way? Or this way?
This way.
I don't see any buttons. Oh.
The other one.
Oh. Why does it sound like that?
The other one. Push it and turn.
Oh, push and turn.
Good
Why
job.
is the flames like that? Why is it going this way?
I don't know.
Oh, right there.
The other one. Alright, that's nice. Gotta cut the whole thing here to make sure that it works. And okay, so it's done. It looks nice. Everything seems to work. Ooh.
Oh, I didn't even see that. See what? It shows where, so this one's on the corner. Yes. I didn't know that it showed the picture.
For people with eyes though.